Welcome to Karate Dojo Online, your virtual dojo powered by Karate Explained. I'm Mike Williams Kyoshi, with over 40 years in traditional karate and a direct connection to the Nippon Karate Dokai in Japan. On this channel you'll find Karate Bites, quick insights and motivation, Karate Essentials, core lessons and key principles, quiz challenges to test your knowledge and sharpen your skills, and the Karate Explained podcast, with deeper conversation on karate, philosophy, concepts, and history. If you believe, like I do, that in karate we are always forever a student, subscribe and join us here at your virtual dojo. I look forward to training with you.